Hey guys, so today I've got a 2007 Acura MDX. This should work on a lot of TS, TSX, or the RDX, or most Acuras with this kind of display. So the customer has a fault message showing on. There's no fault messages on the display, no engine light. And when you go in the menu, press OK. When you drive, the message shows up. Move that to the side. So if you go, this button's over here, I'm going to press Info. Go to Messages, All Messages, and it shows these three messages over here. Emission system P0420, active damper system, checking your light on. Check oil level, sorry. So got the oil level checked out, the oil level was low. So most cars, the light will go off by itself. On this one, it did not. Scan the PCM. There's no fault codes, no regular, no pending codes, P0420. So for some reason, it has picked up this code. When you press enter, you can go in the menu. It will read it to you, but it will not let you clear it. So I'm going to show you how to clear the codes without any scan tool. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to turn the ignition to the off position. Turn the ignition on, the second position. Let's wait for the screen to clear up. So we're gonna use these buttons over here. This is enter, press it, left, right, map, cancel, and menu. So I'm gonna press the OK button first. I'm gonna press and hold map, cancel, and the menu button at the same time. After holding for like 3 to 5 seconds, you're gonna see this menu. So next, we're gonna use this dial, left and right, and enter. We're gonna go to XMHIP, XMHIP ECU, and diagnostics info. So over here, you can see those same three messages. Press enter. Delete, yes. Same, press enter, delete, yes. Press enter, delete, yes. All right, I'm gonna try one more time, and it would not let me go in there. That means there's no fault messages. You can confirm by turning the ignition off, starting the vehicle. I'm gonna wait for it to get to the regular screen. Press enter. We're gonna press this info button. So you cannot, the messages is not highlighted anymore. That means there's no messages in the system. So that was it. Most shops just clear the engine light. They forget to clear this, so you gotta either go back or find a way to reset it by yourself. So no special tools are needed. Hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.